Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Today's video is going to be on the DoDo lashes. They sent me some new lashes that they currently have on their website. You saw me haul a few lashes from their website before. They sent it in this little packaging here. I've already cut it open and it's still inside the bubble wrap, so I'm just going to open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so they sent me 8 pairs of lashes. What DoDo Lashes is an online Mink Eyelash company based out in China. Their ranges on lashes is anywhere from $5 to $15. And they wanted to send me some new pairs of lashes that they got in stock. So I will be going through and showing you how they look, and I will be telling you the prices of them. And if you order over $30, you get free shipping, so keep that in mind. Now these lashes are the D335 and they are currently $5. Regular price is $15. So this is how it looks. And these are the 3D lashes. You can tell by how they look like this. And it is a flexible band. Like I told you before, I've used these before because they sent me some before. So they sent me 2 pairs of the D335s. Next we have the D207. I'm sorry, the D307. The D307 is currently $12. Regular price was $30. So these are a little bit thicker and fuller. And they are 3D as well. You can tell by how it flares up there. Like I said, currently these are $12. Next we have the D316, and these are currently $12 as well, and these are the 3D styles as well. These aren't as full as the previous pair, but the design is different and prickly, and the band looks thinner as well. And this is how it looks from the side. So these are really like thin, dramatic lashes that won't be too heavy on your eyes. Next they sent me 2 pair of the D328s, and these are $10. So it's both of these pairs here. Currently looks like this, and these are like groups of thick pair. So as you can tell, all the designs are different, and this band is kind of thick. And these are 3D lashes. So you turn it to the side, you can see there. But as you can see, they are groups or like patches or whatever with lashes. So these are more dramatic as well. They're not too full and they're not too thin. They're just like in the middle with the material. Like I said, they sent me 2 pairs, so these 2 are the D328s. And lastly, they sent me the pair of the D309s. These are $12, and the pattern on these are like crossed, and the band is thin. I'm zooming in so you can see all the detail. And these are 3D as well. When you turn them to the side, it flares up, as you can see. And these are $12 as well. Regular price on these was $30. And like I said, they sent me 2 pair. The bottom ones, these ones look thicker. So it's these 2. So the bottom pair kind of look thicker on one of the lashes. So yeah, again, these is from DoDo Lashes. I do have a discount code in the inside, so if you want to purchase from my code, you will get a discount. If you order over $30, you do get free shipping. And keep in mind, it does take about 2 weeks because it is coming from China. So keep in mind with that. Even when they sent it to me, it did take about 2 weeks too. So it's not like they're sending it to me quicker than you guys would get it. And I'm going to go back through the list. So it's D335, D307, D316, D328, and D309s. So yeah, so stick around. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you order, you can use my discount code. And yeah, you will get free shipping if you order over $30. Like I said, it ranges from $5 to $15 currently on the website because they have it on sale. Sometimes the lashes are like $30, I think. So yeah. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like this video, share this video, and all my social medias down below. I have ebooks, Football Wax 1 and 2 on Amazon Kindle. Kindle Unlimited, get to read both parts for free. I have an advice column, DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com. You can write into that, and I'll be sure to answer your question on camera in a dedicated video. Thank you guys for supporting me and always watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.